Hey guys, thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies once again. Today we have this 2012 Ford F-150 5.0. Make sure we're all looking at the same thing. 5.0 liter, 2012. Simple stuff on this. Right up top right here, we have the EVAP canister purge solenoid. Here is your canister purge solenoid. This solenoid is responsible for purging the EVAP system by acting as the switch that allows vapors back into the engine and through the combustion process. A little bit to the left, you have the PCV valve. Here is your PCV valve. Your PCV valve routes air and fuel from the crankcase back through the intake manifold to the cylinders and through the combustion process, rather than allowing them to escape into the atmosphere. That's pretty much it under the hood. Cover the O2 sensors. O2 sensors for the driver's side. Here's your rear O2 sensor. Here is the location of your Bank 2 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor functions the same as your Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor as well. And there's your front oxygen sensor. Here is the location of your Bank 2 Sensor 1. It also operates the same as your Bank 1 Sensor 1. Probably air fuel ratio sensor. Same thing over here. There is your pre-cat O2. Here is your Bank 1 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor. This sensor measures the oxygen content in the exhaust, providing an input to the computer, which then determines how much to adjust the air fuel ratio to get the perfect or most efficient burn in the combustion chamber possible. And your post-cat O2, all super close together. Here is your Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor, or post-catalytic converter sensor, or your downstream oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor should be only there to measure the efficiency of the catalytic converter. But if you look online, you will find reports that a bad or faulty rear oxygen sensor can adjust the air fuel ratio. Well, right here, this is the EVAP canister. Here is your emissions vapor canister, or your EVAP canister. This is a charcoal-filled canister that absorbs fuel vapors that would otherwise vent out into the atmosphere, causing pollution. Vapors trapped by the charcoal canister are released back into the engine through the purge valve and then burned through the combustion process. I don't see your vent solenoid, but I bet this is your vent right here. Check, check. Here is your emissions vapor vent solenoid, also known as your EVAP solenoid or valve. This valve controls the flow of ambient air in and out of the charcoal canister and EVAP system. I bet. Do some more research on that. No? But that's pretty much it for this here Ford F-150 5.0 liter. Hopefully this helps you in your DIY repair or emissions component locations. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next, hopefully helpful video. Thanks for watching.